Welcome to Tech Vibes. If half of your TV screen suddenly turns black, left side or right side missing picture, stay with me for the next few minutes. In the next 10 seconds, I will tell you one thing clearly. This problem is not always a dead panel. In many real cases, it is a fixable T-con board or cable issue. Now let me explain this like a field technician step by step. First, understand the symptom clearly. Half screen black means one side has no picture, but the other side works normally. Sometimes the black side is fully dark, sometimes it is dark gray, flickering, or shows lines. Sound usually works fine. Backlight usually stays on. Step 1. Power reset test. Unplug the TV from wall power. Wait at least 10 minutes. This fully discharges the T-con board and main board. Plug the TV back in and power on. If half screen comes back, the issue was a temporary T-con voltage lock. Step 2. On-screen menu test. Open the TV menu using the remote. If the menu also shows half black, the problem is hardware, not software. If the menu is full, but input image is half black, check HDMI cable and source device first. Step 3. T-con board ribbon cable test. Unplug the TV. Open the back cover carefully. Locate the T-con board. It sits between the main board and the panel. You will see two flat ribbon cables going to the panel. Clean both ribbon connectors using isopropyl alcohol. Reconnect them firmly, power on, and test again. Step 4. One side disconnect test. Disconnect one ribbon cable from the T-con board. Power on the TV. If the connected side shows full white or full gray screen, the panel side is likely good. Repeat test with the other ribbon. If one side never shows proper response, that side of the panel driver is damaged. Step 5. Voltage check logic. If half screen stays black consistently, T-con board gamma IC or source driver output may be faulty. In real technician practice, replacing the T-con board often fixes this issue. This is common in Samsung, LG, Sony, TCL, and Hisense TVs. Final diagnosis rule: if swapping T-con board does not fix the issue, the panel COF, chip on film, is damaged. Panel QF failure is not repairable. That means panel replacement is required. Important advice: never update firmware for half-screen black issues. Never press random service menu options. Always diagnose hardware first. This guide is based on real repair cases, service manuals, and technician experience. If this helped you, subscribe to Tech Vibes for real-world TV repair knowledge.